Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna be checking out 3 of Animal Company or Gorilla Tag knockoffs and see if they're actually good and worth playing. 2 of them are Gorilla Tag and the last one is Animal Company knockoff. So let's see, are they actually worth playing? Or are they ever gonna get popular? Well, we're gonna find that out today in today's video. Please subscribe. Okay guys, so the first game we're playing is called Monkaroon, which looks very cool. I really like it. But there's a camera button here. Yo, it looks so cute. It looks so cute like this. Hey, alright. Well, this game is called Monkaroon. Let me check. That's sick. I like that. I did already play a little bit of this game before, but this is basically just me showcasing you what this game has to offer. The steer camera won't keep it. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh well, let's just... Oh wait, well, there's 5 monkeys online now. Hey, let's go. Okay, crown maybe, and now we're gonna try to... Enter, no? Okay. So, how do we join? Option 1, option 2, option 3... Can we turn the camera here? Oh, we can, okay. So there's 5 monkeys online, but it doesn't want to connect me to a server. That's pretty weird. I don't know how to get connected, really. But this game is just Gorilla Tag, but the graphics are pretty nice, actually. I don't know how to do this. It is a very weird. Physics are very good. I love how the physics work. It is very clean, in fact. The physics are insanely good. It does not feel janky at all. It feels actually very professional. So it's quite the opposite of janky. Graphics are definitely also pretty good, I must say. You can get some sick jukes in this game. Done. It's more of a realistic art style. Wall running is extremely easy to do this game though. Feels like you're... Why is it so terrifying? I don't like it. This is the PvP area, which is basically just the exact same thing with some more platforms. I'm guessing this is... I'm guessing this is only like PvP as in hand combat. I'm guessing. Right here, when we go up this vine right here, which we can kind of stick to, I'm just gonna like this. We go up this parkour course right here, and over there there's some sleeping monkeys. Now, their name, one of them is Harold and the other is Pringle. I don't know if these are like the creators of the game, just insert themselves in the game. There's a cool little Easter egg. But they're here, so I don't know if that's how it works or what. Here we have some cosmetics. Yes, my money. Show me my money balance. No? Okay. Okay, I guess. Rotating and stuff. Here we have the mirror. Not top quality mirror, but it's alright. Doesn't really matter that much. But, well, that was, I guess that was Monkaroon. I rate this game like 7 out of 10 so far. Movement is great. And the visual is also very nice. I like how we look. We look very cute. Which is just really cool. It's like a better version of Gorilla Tag, honestly. I prefer this movement more than Gorilla Tags. That's for sure. But yeah, that was Monkaroon, and that's a 7 out of 10. But let's just get to the next game. The next game is by Curly Blue, which if you don't know what Curly Blue means, the game is created by G-Man Curly. If you didn't know, which is be kind of weird that you didn't know he created his own game, but here we are.
You wanted me to lock them.
This game is weird. Oh. I'm getting out of here. Dang.
Hey.
Wait, what is
you want to touch this in your butt?
Oh.
Hey, behind you. Oh look, there's a look behind you. Come here. Look over there. Look over there.
Oh, hell no, leave me alone, bro. No, piss off. No, you're not diddling me, bro. You're not diddling me. What is this? Drink? What is this?
Oh, put it inside your brain.
In my brain?
Shove it up your nose.
Oh, okay. Oh, something's happening. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, what is... Huh? What is this? Left arm unlocked. What do you do in this place? This... Oh. Did I unlock it? Oh. Was she dead? Oh? Okay. Okay. Now what? Locking? I think this is where you unlock stuff. Let's go back.
I'm really sorry.
What? What?
OG1.
What is it? Content creator? What do you even...
Come with me. Come with me.
Bro, what is it? What is even going on right now? Hack room. Oh damn. Some PvP area. What is this? Who is that? Is that Jamin? Oh, that is Jamin. Kinda look like K. That kinda look like Kai. Yes, I can't get. Nothing here. This is some scrolling circle. This is purchased. Nothing. This is a very weird game.
Okay, come on. Die.
Bro, what is this?
Is he modded? No, I ain't. No. Where am I going? No. You guys ain't clapping my feet. One.
Bro, what is?
One. Smackdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smackdown.
Oh no. Oh! Oh! What a comeback. Bro did a nice comeback there. Oh, nice.
You win.
Oh, good job, guys.
Smackdown.
Schmack. Ow. Excuse me, that hurt.
Okay, girl. Girl! Uh-huh.
The hell you mean by good? Hello.
Yay!
Oh,
Having a day for your party.
4, 3, 2, 1. Smack.
What is even going on? Why do I keep getting launched
4,
up?
3.
What is going on? Why am I getting launched? What is going on?
How do I really punch?
Bro, I go into arena and I get launched.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smackdown.
Yeah, that guy's dead.
Whoa! Yeah, don't try me. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Bro, it's a 1v1 now.
That was funny. That is funny.
left. I was about to say hello.
What?
I barely even left. Good night. Left, right, good night. No, friend, let's go. Oh.
I want to team with you.
Good night. GG. Let's go.
Are you ready to lock in on my screen?
I'm locked in. I was locked in. Okay, what's this? Music, voice. Like this.
Don't forget to go check out the drip because that helps me make Schmackle 2.0.
What
I
is
cannot
the-
wait
why
for you
is
to see
this
what we've
so-
been working on. It's gonna be great. Peace. Love you. Schmackle! Guys, we're doing
And a 6 maybe, a 5.7 perhaps. But yeah, this game's actually pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, good job, G-Man. You did well. Alright, well, I guess we can go to the next game now. Peace. Animal Company. OG. This is a really dangerous place to hide.
No gun. Come on.
Oh, okay, fine.
Here you go.
Oh,
Bye.
Pink, what are you doing? Pink, don't do that. Ow!
What?
That was
Why are
weird.
you on Bro, why did you kill the green guy?
Well, that guy's dead. Pink, you good? I think bro's goddamn dead.
What's this
Just
button?
bro's dead. Don't kill yourself. What are you doing?
Kill me!
Okay, fair enough.
But why you about to kill me? Bing!
Wait, Pink. Pink?
I know you will.
Oh, bro, where even are you, bro? I'm scared.
I appreciate you. Look up. Hi.
Hi. Okay, come down. We're gonna film it good. Oh, okay, yeah. Bro's broken. Alright, here. Here's a backpack. Leave it open. Just leave it open. And put it on your back. Alright, now turn that way. Alright, we're gonna do the bomb one. Got it?
What?
Yo, bro. Bro, look! Your shoes are untied. You see that, bro? See? Your shoes are untied. Thank you, Pink. Okay. Okay. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, Pink, don't eat that without me. Ow. Coordinate. Thanks for helping me out with this kid, Pink. Do you have any last words to YouTube? What's your last words?
I would like and subscribe.
That's a G. Alright, guys, you heard him. Alright, well, thank you. Bye. So yeah, guys, that was the free Animal Company or Gorilla Tag knockoffs. Them being Monkaroon, Schmackle, and Monkey Company. I had so much fun filming this video, and I already filmed this video actually, to be completely honest, but the whole video deleted. I accidentally deleted the whole video I recorded, so I had to do it all over again. But now I learned from my mistakes while recording the first time, so I could actually make it easier for myself to edit and post, making the experience better for you guys. So if you like this little video, then you can go ahead and like, maybe even subscribe if you want. I'd really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me, and I guess I'll just see you in the next one. Bye.